Wishing you a 50th birthday filled with love and everything that makes you happy. You've been a friend that I am grateful for, and I'm thankful that our friendship remains strong kahit magkalayo tayo. Have a wonderful birthday, and I hope you enjoy your day. I love you.
Happy 50th birthday, Sel. Wishing you the bongacious birthday celebration you truly deserve, surrounded by the love and joy of your family. We love you, Sel. Sending mahigpit na yakap from all of us here sa Pilipinas. We love you. Bye!
Hey, hey, hey! This is your special day girl. Happy birthday, Sel! Stay sweet and loving. I wish you all the best and may God grant all the desires of your heart. I love you. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Happy 50th birthday, Rosel. Sa susunod, sama na ako sa Newport. Cheers!
Hi, Zen. Happy birthday. Wishing you good health and more blessings to come. I love you.
Tanjobi Omedeto! Happy golden birthday, Tol Rosel.
Welcome to the club.
Welcome to the club. Ay, una ka pala sa akin.
Ako una. Welcome to the club.
Enjoy your Japan trip.
Yes, sayang wala kami, but enjoy.
Happy birthday,
Isa
malamig.
tayo.
Bye-bye.
Enjoy.
I wish you a happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come. More love, laughter, and happily ever after. We love you. Happy birthday.
Hello to our favorite niece in San Jose, California. Happy winter birthday. It's 18 degrees here and just imagine how cold it is. Sel, can't believe you are 50, but for us you are only 18 with 32 years of experience. Hope we can celebrate with you in person, but we need to see our doctor and physical therapist every other day, almost, just for the two of us, in between two of us. So try not to catch up with our age. 50 is a golden chapter of life, more adventures to discover, more memories to make, and endless possibilities with family and friends. Happy birthday again, and cheers
to the next 50 years. Yes.
Happy birthday.
50th birthday, Tita Rosel. We miss you, and I hope you have good health and you spend the day happy with your family and friends.
Thank you, Tita Rosel, for everything you give us, and of course, we miss you po. Love you.
Bye.
Happy 50th birthday, Ate Rosel. At dahil may edad ka na deserve mo yung mga wish ko para sa'yo. Of course, good health, more time for yourself, more time for you to do the things that you want to do, enjoy more, relax more, worry less, and tama na ang overthinking. Ha? Pwede ba? Okay, so, from all of us, Happy 50th birthday, Tita Rosel! We love you!
Happy birthday, Rosel.
Happy birthday, Rosel.
Na-realize mo ba na yung 50 years mo, kalahati noon ay diyan mo na nakuha sa Amerika. Sa 50 years na sa golden years mo na yan.
Dahil dyan, miss na miss ka namin. Miss na miss ka namin sa birthday mo ito.
25 years ago, nang umalis ka, nagsusolo ka lang. At saka sa panahon na yon ay mahirap ang communication. Hindi solo ka lang noon. Ang sabi namin ay paano kaya si Rosel? Ngayon, Ngayon, na kami, medyo relax na kami kasi
alam mo na gagawin mo.
Mula sa nagsusolo ka, naging 4 na kayo ngayon. No, kaya may matakbuhan ka na. Sa kayong 4 ay mayroon ng makakausap, maghihinga ng tulong, no. So
malaking bagay sa iyo si Jason.
So medyo na kami. Medyo kampante na kami. Noong una, ang sabi na namin ng nanay mo, si Rosel ay nadadala lang ng agos yan. Nagaganyan yan. Kaso pero
Sa ngayon, siya nagdadala.
pero hindi lang nadadala ng agos. Nadadala ka nga ng agos, pero you're on top of the current, no?
At ikaw ang,
Hindi ka nawawala, hindi ka naiiwan.
ikaw ang nagbibigay buhay sa inyo.
Kaya
Peace of mind na kami.
Biro mo ang lakas ng loob mo nang nandyan ka pa lang, wala ka pang 2 taon noon, dyan sa Amerika. Bumili ka na ng kotse, at tapos ay nag-drive ka pupuntang Vallejo. Ang layo-layo noon, hindi mo alam ang pasikot-sikot. Pero napakalakas ng loob mo. So ganyan ka talagang dugong alegre ka. No?
At saka talagang napakahusay na kinder teacher.
So ang wish lang namin ng nanay mo na patuloy kayong bigyan ng malakas na pangangatawan at kaisipan
Ingat.
upang madagdagan pa ang iyong lakas at
Talino.
marami ka pang magagawa. Marami pa. Ang 50 years ay mababa pa yun, mababang yan. So go ahead, go on, no?
Kaya mo yan, kaya
mo yan, no? So I wish you good health. Kaya kayong dalawa ni Jason, mag-ingat kayo.
Ingat, kayo ang nagdadala.
Ganon din sa pag-ingat niyo sa inyong mga anak. Nakikita namin, okay ang inyong pagpapalaki sa kanila. Go on, keep doing what you are doing right now. Sige, yun lang ha. We wish you always good health. Sige, kami dito, okay na. Walang problema kami. Konti lang.
Konti lang.
Sige. Okay, that's all, Rosel. Okay.
Happy birthday.
Happy golden year.